Dago Day. Hello, my name is Thuy, and I work for the University of Arizona Cooperative Extension here in San Carlos. Science says that 90% of the brain is developed by the time a child's 5, and that's why it's so crucial for both me and you to make sure their brains are actively seeking out knowledge. And so today I like to do a simple and fun experiment that you can do with your toddlers. Today's experiment allows our toddlers to become scientists by observing how the ink from the permanent marker, non-permanent marker, and paper towel interacts with water. So let's begin. For this experiment, you only need 4 things. First, a paper plate, a paper towel, some permanent markers and non-permanent markers, and a little water. And last but not least, your creativity and imagination. After you and your toddler create a design on the paper towel using both the permanent markers and non-permanent markers, you want to lay it on the paper plate. The purpose of this experiment is to show the toddlers how the permanent markers and the non-permanent markers will interact with water, and that the permanent markers, they won't bleed when the water runs over their surface, while the non-permanent markers will bleed and lose some of their color. You can make it a little more fun by having the toddler use one of their bath toys to gently squeeze the water onto the paper towel. For this experiment, I found a toy frog. Some of the questions you can ask the toddlers as they're pouring the water onto the paper towel is, what do they see happening? And are there some colors that are staying the same while other colors are changing? And what are some of the colors that they see now? Has their design or colors changed? And if they picked up the paper towel now, will it weigh the same as when they set it on the paper plate? These are some questions that you can ask and wait for a response back with your toddlers. And this encourages the toddlers to think and to ask questions about the surrounding materials in their environment. So this experiment does 4 things. First, it works on their fine motor skills, which are the small muscles in their fingers, and it's when they're coloring and creating the designs. Second, it works on their eye and hand coordination, again when they're developing their designs and actually putting what they want to do onto their paper towel. And third, it works on their problem-solving skills. And this is when we start to ask them, what are they seeing, what are they observing during the process of the experiment. And then the 4th thing that it works on is their communication and language abilities. Because as we're asking them the questions, we're waiting for their response back. We can have a positive impact on our toddlers' brain development each and every day just by doing 4 simple things. By playing with them, talking with them, singing with them, and reading with them. And like this experiment, we were able to encourage their fine motor skills, their eye and hand coordination, and also their vocabulary and their problem-solving skills. So just by you being there, playing with them each and every day encourages their brain development. And remember, 90% of the brain is developed by the time a child's 5. Thanks.